In units 1, 2 and 3, we're going to focus on the writing prophets. To help get a handle on those prophets and study them fairly and do justice to them, it's important to see how those prophets fit into the unfolding narrative of the history of the people of Israel. It's very useful and important to follow up the cross-references to Gordon McConville's excellent introduction to the prophets in the Exploring the Old Testament series, which is the course text to accompany this module. On page 8 of the introductory pages in Roman numerals, he has an excellent table which outlines how each prophet relates to a particular period in Israel or Judah's history. The kings whose stories are told in the books of Samuel and Kings are give the background against which it's possible to read the writing prophets. So in this teaching session, on pages 28 and following, under the headings of the writing prophets, we explore the story that unfolds of the people of Israel. How, after the time of Solomon, the nation divides into northern kingdom and southern kingdom. Israel in the north, Judah in the south. And how there are prophets speaking out in that northern kingdom and to that situation, while the two kingdoms are side by side, challenging the kings, holding them to account, seeking to enable them to follow the ways and the word of God. And the tragedy is the northern kingdom falls. And then that leaves the southern kingdom and its Davidic line of kings again needing to be held to account by prophets. In Unit 1, we're going to look at the prophets of descent in the kingdom. And that's in that period when north and south are side by side. And then in Unit 2, we're going to go on to look at Isaiah, Micah and Jeremiah, prophets of descent shaping the kingdom. And that's in that period when Judah is on its own. And then in the third unit, we're going to come on to that period when Judah is no more and the people have gone into exile. And we'll look at Ezekiel and Isaiah of Babylon and see them as prophets of descent in reshaping the kingdom. In all that we're doing, what we seek to do is to try to get an insight into what's going on as these prophets hold the king to account and declare their message. And we hope that you will be able to make a study of those texts with the help of Gordon McConville and alongside our module notes as well.